Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Way before I met David, he was living in Calgary and shared a lot of good memories from his time there. He started his first business, enjoyed the Calgary Stampede and other events, skiing, golfing, and partying with his friends on Electric Avenue before going to one of his favorite spots, Singapore Sam's. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make his crispy ginger beef. After a night out, this is what my husband would eat, and I totally understand why. It's so tasty and the flavors are perfect together. It's also easy to make. If you've had ginger beef before, I'm sure you want to enjoy this dish again. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll start by adding some canola oil to a deep skillet and bring the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I explain why I bring it higher than 350 on the blog. When it's warming up, we'll prep our meat. This is our flank steak, a beautiful piece of meat, and we'll cut it into thin strips. Here's how to do it. First, we'll slice it with the grain into 3 equal pieces because it makes it easier for the next step. If there's fat or silver skin, we'll remove and discard it. Now, we'll turn the meat and slice it against the grain to about a 1/4 inch thick and 3 inches long. Flank steak is a tough cut of beef, but when we slice it thinly against the grain, it turns out to be tender. Now, let's make the batter. In a medium mixing bowl, we'll add cornstarch, water, enough so it doesn't turn into glue, and also a couple of eggs. We'll whisk until the batter is nice and smooth. It will be a little challenging at first because of the cornstarch, but it'll get better. We'll now add the beef strips and make sure to coat them well. We'll let them sit in the batter until the oil reaches temperature. During that time, we'll make the sauce. In a small bowl, we'll add beef broth. Trust me, it's more flavorful than water. Followed by rice vinegar, then low-sodium soy sauce, some Shaoxing cooking wine, also known as yellow wine, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a little bit of sesame oil, and red pepper flakes to taste. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are nicely blended and the sugar is mostly dissolved. Back to our skillet. When it gets to 375, working in batches, we'll carefully add the battered meat in the oil and fry until crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Using a spider strainer, we'll remove from the skillet and transfer the fried strips to a plate. We'll set them aside while working with the remaining ones. The next step is stir-frying our veggies. So, in a wok or a skillet, which is the next best option, we'll add a 1/4 cup of oil and set the heat to medium-high. When it gets hot and starts shimmering, we'll add the carrots and saute for 1.5 to 2 minutes or until they start getting soft. Then we'll add the red and green peppers and saute until the vegetables are slightly tender, about 2 to 2.5 minutes. We want some crispiness to them, okay? To this, we'll add minced ginger as well as pressed garlic. This time, we'll quickly saute them for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll pour in the sauce. Stir very well to coat and bring the mixture to a rapid simmer. It won't take too long, maybe a couple minutes. When it gets there, we'll add our cornstarch mixture and stir until the sauce thickens, maybe a minute at the most. Then we'll return the fried strips and stir very well so the meat is perfectly coated. We'll continue stirring to warm up the beef for a minute or two, and then serve immediately over a bed of rice and garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. And my friends, this is our crispy ginger beef. No need to go to a Chinese restaurant or order takeout because now you can make this delicious recipe at home. It's quick and easy, plus it's reasonably priced too. This is a great dish to make on weeknights or whenever you're craving some. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!